Hello, hello, hello. It is Dolly. Welcome to my channel, Scrapping on the Go. This process video is for Mini Kit Monday with Becky, Kathy, and myself. And I am the Mini Kit Monday host for the month of August. And our challenge is to use this sketch 4 ways. That is correct, to make 4 layouts using only this sketch in the month of August. And you use whatever scrappy supplies that you have in your scrappy area to put together your kit. For myself, I focused on Becky Color Study Collection. Now I'm getting ready to reveal the products that were left over in my kit for layout number 4. In the upper right hand corner, you could see that off camera, I fussy cut vellum stars from Becky collection. I have 2 12 by 12 papers, the one that you see right here with the black lines and then the kind of coral at the bottom. And then I have this yellow with off-white colored printed stars, which I tear about 8 inches by 12. Place that on top of the 12 by 12 paper. As you can see, I feel that's too much, so I take the portion that is torn about 4 inches by 12, and I decide to smooth out my tear so it's a little bit more even. Then I carefully secure that star pattern paper to the 12 by 12 paper, making sure that you can see that one black striped line, so it gives you the illusion that I have 3 different pattern papers here. Next, I'm going to place my 5 photographs on my layout. The 2 that you see right in front of you are 4 by 3 3/4. My 3 smaller photographs over here to the right are 3 by 3. I've matted each of those photographs on French vanilla cardstock from Close to My Heart. I do get out my T ruler just to make sure the 2 larger photographs are even. Then my 3 by 3 photographs, I'm gonna overlap, angle them a little bit just to add some visual interest. These photographs are from 4th of July of 2021. And my group photograph didn't turn out too good because it was at night and then I made the background light up. But anyway, it's documenting the memory. I have one of Becky tags over here to the right that I tucked under the paper that I've torn. Now it's time for me to place these vellum stars randomly in the upper half of this layout. Now, while you watch me do that for just a second, let me remind you that I will have Becky and Kathy's link to their channel listed below in the description box so that you can go check out what they've created. Now I've gotten out the Becky Color Study chipboard piece, and I've got this circle one. I do end up cutting it in half, and it gets placed underneath the 2 larger photographs to the left. Next, I will secure my title, and I use the Becky Color Study alpha phrase and little icons which have hearts and gold arrows, etc., etc. And they have an enamel finish. They're a light puffy alpha set, and it is in this gorgeous blue color. And again, it just pops off of that coral printed pattern paper. Next, you see in the right hand side of my layout a thin pencil sticker strip. I take that strip and I place it on the bottom thinking that's where I want it, and it's too crowded, so then I just take a portion of it and put it over that black striped printed line. And that little sticker says, "Hello, my friend, hello, my friend." Underneath my title, I add a chipboard piece that says, "Friends, family, good times." Then I go back to the chipboard piece and I get out this little yellow banner that is dovetailed or fishtailed at the end, and it says real life, and it gets moved down by my title. Then I have this chipboard tab, which I will use to place the year of these photographs. Like I said earlier, was from 4th of July of 2021. And then off camera, or I edit it out actually, I add a flare button on my tag and it says so much fun. And now I'm going to add journaling lines. I know I haven't added the flare yet, but I just didn't want to forget because I edited that out for whatever reason. But I'm going to add some journaling lines on the bottom half around my photographs and title. And then I am going to show you the 2 Dilution Shimmer sprays that I'm going to use, and it is Sunshine or Pure Sunshine, and the other one, I'm trying to find the name, is Tangerine Dream. And I will add splatters all up around the stars, along the lower right hand side of my photograph, and a little bit where I'll do some journaling. Also, I noticed off camera, I didn't show me adding the puffy gold matted heart from that alpha set over there by that half moon circle on the left side of the photographs. And then I added these I added 1, 2, 3 confetti gold elements by the word happy. And this layout's complete. I appreciate you all. Thanks for playing along or coming over and watching my videos. Be sure that you go check out our Facebook group site. I have the link listed below. And Becky will be our host for the month of September. So you got to come over and see what the challenge is for September. Next is the close-ups of my layout. I have 3 close-ups. And now I'm just comparing my layout to the sketch. We'll see you next time. And don't forget to give us a thumbs up. That helps bring traffic to our channel so that we are inspiring people that you and I may not know that's looking for inspiration. We'll see you next time. Bye.